If you want to find gallery on Motorola Edge 70 Fusion, then in that case you can use the Photos app provided by Google. So this is the app that is supposed to be used as a gallery on this phone. As you can see here, we have all our photos and videos that we have available on our phone that we took, for example. We can also switch to collections in order to find a bunch of different stuff in here, like different folders. You can go to the camera again in order to find all photos that you have took. And here we also have some additional categories, so if you're looking specifically just for videos, then you can actually select videos option in here, and you can easily find everything. I know that some people dislike this Photos app. I know this can be very annoying to use at times, but also of course we can use it to, for example, edit our photos. So we have the photo editor available as well, and it has some pretty cool features. So definitely this app serves the purpose of a typical gallery. It's just the name of the app that is slightly different, but essentially this is a gallery app. In addition to that, if you don't like this Photos app, you can just switch to the Files app by Google. This is more like a file manager, because in here you can find everything that you have on your phone, not only photos and videos, but also, for example, documents, audio files, and so on and so forth. And in here you can of course choose one of these categories in order to try to find something. So you can find your photos in here as well quite easily. That shouldn't be a problem. So you can use that as well. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.